How to cancel a customer special order in AAAPOS RetailManager. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to cancel a customer special order in AAAPOS RetailManager. Let's go through the process step by step. In AAAPOS RetailManager, you have the flexibility to cancel special orders that are currently on order with a supplier. It is important that, if you're using the admin security option, the cancel orders function will be password protected. Remember, when you cancel a special order, you might also need to cancel the purchase order for that item. For more details, refer to the Admin Cancel Orders line, the CSO section in the video tutorials. First, navigate to the Cancellation of Outstanding Orders window. In this window, the special orders assigned to a supplier and currently on order will be displayed in the Special Orders tab. Now, enter your staff number in the staff field to log into the system. Next, you may enter either the supplier number or partial text from the supplier's name. For example, entering Samson will display the list of suppliers whose details match this term, Samson. Then, click on the supplier you're looking for. This will display only the orders associated with that supplier. Use the arrow keys to browse through the list of special orders. When you find the special order you want to cancel, press Enter. You will be prompted to confirm if you want to cancel the special order. To proceed, select Yes to confirm the cancellation. Once confirmed, the special order will be cancelled, and it will no longer appear in your order list. And that's it. The special order has been successfully cancelled. Thanks for watching. If you need further assistance, feel free to check out more tutorials in the AAAPOS RetailManager website.